But for second I like the way
competition.
Now I don't know. Telcos no more.
I don't know why the telcos cannot do that.
Telcos no, it been him.
Why? Mama Ora Sam George in TSCSA. Say you can't ask ma. Obian time.
There.
Eh? A Juma, you believe he says Sam George can do for us.
I will believe you.
I don't think you can ask. And I mean, believe he say.
I don't believe.
He's my minister. In charge of communication. I expect him to deliver a certain service.
Okay.
I was of one Mamunia Makwa by the Magan and some TV show. But one more like if you know, subscribe to the channel, no attend notification about next time. Videos of this nature about some Sabit Maccabi, now watch our comment section. Said the Munia when Mr. President Madaroma, if by chance it may when you feel impressed with our works. Episode boy may set your studio and near idea. But your number and that's with my reach out to you. In some kind of episode maybe any Japan and better was so. Because this is the most active pro-NPP platform on social media. And the BR said the end mom on back to back, sir. Tim will be a part of this family. Support us and we'll be so much grateful. Nabusunya baby will be a home video and watch out to say Adudi Nyame is working.
But for second I like the way
competition.
Now I don't know. Telcos no more.
I don't know why the telcos cannot do that.
Telcos no, it been him.
Why? Mama Ora Sam George in TSCSA. Say you can't ask ma. Obian time.
There.
Eh? A Juma, you believe he says Sam George can do for us.
I will believe you.
I don't think you can ask. And I mean believe he say.
I don't believe.
He's my minister. In charge of communication. I expect him to deliver a certain service.
Okay, who expects it and you will believe it?
I
believe you're different.
The expectations are there, and I believe, sir, our capacity to do it,
sir,
to ensure that certain things will be done right.
Why? Believe it.
Until 2 weeks in Nipa, we now will throw beer. I mean, we don't have leadership in this country. Who's idea?
Sunday near Kasana corner kati.
Debia. And it's not like you call on a particular network and aside
across
all the networks that in this country.
All of them. And in this thing, you are expecting a minister who is in charge of that sector.
Meanwhile, my point is that Kwame, any single call will be placed. Me phone is here and I'm afraid one, I'm afraid for and I'm afraid TB and I'm afraid Dr. Prekesa. Even if it's 1 second, me type, me seeker.
Yet
call now me person me and hello, cramming to minka. Not to seeker just like that. Why? So for to be now about baby, the telcos are not communicating to us.
They're not telling us anything. And
NCA encourage.
In some way.
Ministry so encourage.
In some way.
NCA are they immune to questioning?
Because I said they don't.
Nobody is questioning NCA on anything.
I feel saying can we get some George Bar TV3 key point. At least Kobe use the opportunity to address that. Because Saturday, we'll back key point. Non networks, no way caller, the clarity is not there.
Now, aside that, got data boy, I said data boy as Akosro. As Akosro.
And to be in Kanjan is a minister. What you call in this country? You cannot stand on the phone with somebody for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Wabra wunya breakages, unnecessary noise. Very, very unpleasant.
Can sema enimu editie MPP a buy n'anim ase. NDC buy ye momo cars ni sika, momo contract. Oh, this way MPP ni ma papa dia mesre no. Ene wa mabi mubu ofu. Ama mubu mubu ofu pa. 6 match asema NDC for. Yeah, 6 match asema ya NDC for say omo de omo nya no be Jubilee House na MPP for Bokan he. 6 match no ho. Ye kono region by region here you know. Timi bring young artist for domo babonten. So ukoyi 6 match we krasi a and who a school from talent be brave talent ahodo ankwala we ewo omomuni bobo omomuni masa omomuni nunto even common dress who say akra we or talent intino ade a MPP abaye na 8 years about 6 match no enya kawo e de Ghana ye talent e pia bonten etimi e boost your creative art no me NDC for ba me nim say creative art na gu me wo hwe e wo creative anyi say papa yi ba o platform so our car metie from the beginning from 1978 me kaka bia me nim say creative art egu e wo mahama abreso ontimesre me nwana mo mpemfo na mo Ghana na mo your position for the various sectors no any si for some na mo ye mesrem you should come out na mo me speak mu ya ban MPP ba power mo na mo hold positions no Blafris won't be free Canada or may hold position or Ghana
I can say all kai nyina say kwasi prat na na di anim mu amure afini de bia me ba ha meka me se Gen Z fo no mu afini mu nim niema bebre kwasi prat lead demonstration 2008 to 2007 Echo hotel ho mu amunim hotel ye friend African Regent se wu kwajo olu a sa dan tintin ye si tete kwasi way village directly opposite village President Kufuor hotel no hotel or toye or compare sika penny investors and no better at that time President Kufuor no nya small boy even at that time, no, yet an established businessman. Big time, he was in his 40s.
Yes.
Or when the speaker. Now, be a wait here, President Kufuor. No one who in history, ni baby, or mufrino. Who's a sika? Muna nemanya sika o. Money na water. And then it's proper money na water or Ghana. And the President Kufuor ne chiri back ne bushia for ne mame. President Kufuor ni maame no ono wo mo ni baby ankwa university wo ha wo bi a secondary school ani e pagya ni e do call London ni maame atodan ni maame todan wo London 1952. Wow. That is the family President Kufuor comes from. Na sa lipa no sebi o ne nana Simito hotel a mu Ghana for ye mu anim mu the most poverty stricken mentality ahoya nipa bonesem
no crack
ATC no so kekan sam President Kufuor ni ofa mu wokrom ha ne ba ni hotel ni say egusu si ho how many years down the line the hotel is still one of the top notch hotels e wo Ghana ha me omo ho hinti hotel bi wokrom ha me ama me nidi wo ho Minya who say NDC ni dia mi wura ho. Me nto na me nya. Na me ko hotel di wawa na makodidi. Minya guest time di on beko ho. Nipa boni some creative arts di hwedi wa wasi aka no.
Oh yeah. Oh, obi aba na line so. Sure, creative arts for any there o ma nwini o. I'm say obi aba sister my line so to know. Back up.
I'm no there yes. First time in 9 years. Why you workers? Me na me hear adwuma why you workers? It the Christmas without any bonus. Christians are hear adwuma why it the Christmas without bonus. For the first time, Muslims are why you omu hear adwuma e be di sala ene omu di sala akopem Monday without bonus. Yes. Me hear adwuma why under JFK. Na afi su bia we worker. 100% of your basic salary as bonus 100% see a debo abaso but sir akwa with this clown basa ntali be you last year when me ntua bonus o ka kire o mo say obetua bonus no this sala ene ye sala say ene na basa ntali ba betua wa yifo adwuma yefo bonus a yenim nti sa sala omudi Muslims are why including NDC for na omubu efu no nipa all the information e ma me o NDC ni mene wo ka say over 1 year basa ntale be CU beneficiaries o marketia 400 cedis a month or so ontimi ntua e ana beneficiaries ni kwa hohiahia eko brem some of them they have to resort to Bessie Brane Cronon kitten just FM. And why he has a dedicated funding, why he is one of the few government agencies Womodi who because Emrana establish why you know I'm an dedicated funding ye watua ye pia and no and funding the activities of why including beneficiaries or more allowances and afinsu employees or more salaries. Sikano Ghana funja intuae. But basa antali ni NDC ye ni omudi sikane ye. Anene why ye workers go through and him and no sorry obey meeting and no call Australia. Basa antali onye meeting wo Ghana was say ebia ye kwa workshop bi na wo makwa akwaje Kufuridia Capital View Hotel and say Rock City near there bi. Basa antali wonu oye meeting na or call Australia na UK na ne keka ho. Say kwasia na ni ate. And as a kwasia when who is secret deep kwasia he's been exposed to sugar di sugar nama when you diabetes what he's been exposed to power and I am man position kesia sika bebre eba why yinti say tini basa as an kwasia for we juma omudi and I think say he's the propounder of sa ora na ababe a white elephant, ababe abatos, since NDC for Kumunum. I think that he's the one that started. Now, Uranum, then NDC be co position. One only be dini first. And don't find saying baby and Sunka. Moi.
Dear now open the entire country, Omo a limited number. Ebia, ye Pobia Manako crack, COVID the draw, or NS chemist, or your friend is a East Cantonment Pharmacy mo, no Mako crass drone. Yeah, good. The second reason is say, be a time I bet Nasa dia cabo my competitive tendering no, disproportionate to the value ye kwakotono. Be a best say 3 weeks, 1 month, ye free high in for expert or mobile human and asefo. Ebia, ye bet cabo no, not dear na ye kotono crane esha. And at the chatu and say be a why national competitive tendering every no, ubia amfa. Your friend is a bedamba into Ubeko restricted tendering. The entire maker way in say all these forms of procurement methods. Ye Ghana yemremu. Your case will be a lawyer near Ghana. Ha your friend panel learned. She say Nipane share the and a trim abobel into some more Jenfi, Sami Jenfi, ni trim abobel. Now to Dina NDC 360 so for Procurement Act. To all the other methods, catch the Ghana for say method as a Ghana ni bia some not to be the juma national competitive tendering. Okay. Now question is say ye then as a mid fee at the okoye restricted tendering. Obama, assembly more ya a more gram. Now, Minia, why your application? We agency now why your application for restricted tendering. What they call your friend is a PPA. PPA ebeshen near my bear at 9. The edikai. Mbajorenko fourth one. The edikai. Omubeke raising or they buy under section 38 or they buy competitive tendering. Remember we so. Ebio ombeke the value of the procurement activity. What's the estimate in consultant estimate account. Yeah. No matter profile and technical responsiveness and others. Any shortlisted firms are Odiaba. Obama, what is say ya tonkunya ya manambada? Say ye koto ye procurement ye kotonkunya ya ma number so ya ma price. What be that? Obama me buza question what be that? Mo na hwede ye bo quantity 0. And so you trust allow a provisional sum of boardroom furniture item 1 million Ghana cedi. The tabri e dia master ndogbe. Eni ninia company e friend correct say omo di omunko di na mabuna e bre wo man mu a omudra mikadi omu 220 Ghana cedis akoto security forms and tempentenkwa. This is what is happening in this country. Allow a provisional sum for office furniture be of 500,000. Agyin. Ofa. Agyin. Mumba swo man no e de akọ. Ehe na mode ko. The sad thing a woman said this is a rehearsed your friend is saying, Kronoa, SU or mine, who be that. Okay. And the PPA boss is part. You're Frank Mantin. I'm going to prove to you. Sami Denfid in the letter called 20th June 2025, Friday. Meaning, I'm my last picture. No, na shadi. My last picture. No, next date or Troy. Or Troy letter you 24th June, which is Tuesday. And the PPA board or part say.
Omo say one day now kind letter now Zumi mame or say we refer to your letter blah 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 no about at the second emergency board meeting of the seats board held on Tuesday 24th June 2025. Now it's a Tuesday corona na board nitimi so say Ghana yesika chachiro dio yesika chachiri die 11 million Ghana cedis. Yamfa master ndobi. Hey wafa. Okay. Debi mianka Frank Mante. So what say about this criminal conductor? And you'll be